What does your ideal Father's Day look like?
Sleeping.
Sleeping? You're gonna sleep through the whole thing?
It's like probably grill out in the evening.
Probably cooking out, maybe at our place.
Cooking out, barbecuing. Who's a better cook, dad or mom?
Mom. Mom.
Are you gonna take that? What are you getting your dad on Father's Day?
Maybe a new grill?
A new grill? Is he the grill master?
He is.
What are you guys getting your dad for Father's Day?
A card.
That's a great gift. Okay, what are you gonna get?
Probably a card.
Also a card. Did you just say that because she said that? What are you gonna get your dad for Father's Day?
A dinner?
Are you gonna really make dinner on Father's Day?
Probably.
Really? Okay, what's the ideal meal? What do you want him to make for you on Father's Day?
Lobster.
Lobster? Fancy. Ooh. What is the one meal you think your father wants on Father's Day?
Steak.
Steak.
Yes.
Are you good at making steak?
No, that's his job.
That's his job.
Yep.
So he wants it and he's gonna make it for himself.
Yeah, he's picky.
What's the secret to a great barbecue? What do you need?
You. To
You.
barbecue.
Are you a good barbecuer?
Oh, yeah.
Are you gonna be doing the grilling or are you gonna make him do the grilling?
Probably my husband will do the grilling.
He's good,
the
even
grill
though it's Father's
master.
Day. He's
Yes.
not gonna. But I think you could be a great griller.
Well, thank you.
Thank you so much for shopping with Kroger. Happy Father's Day. Thank you.